Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious jackfruit milkshake at home. This guide will walk you through each simple step, ensuring a perfect, creamy treat every time. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of ripe jackfruit, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 2 tablespoons of a sweetener like honey or sugar. Don't forget a handful of ice cubes for that perfect chill. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of our show, the jackfruit. Begin by carefully removing the large seeds and any tough, fibrous core from the sweet, yellow pods. This ensures a smooth texture for your milkshake. Once cleaned, cut the jackfruit flesh into smaller, more manageable pieces. Aim for about 1 cup of prepared jackfruit, which is perfect for a single serving. With your jackfruit prepped, it's time to blend everything into a delightful milkshake. Pour the 1 cup of prepared jackfruit into your blender. Next, add 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener. For that refreshing chill and a thicker consistency, toss in a handful of ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Congratulations! Your homemade jackfruit milkshake is ready. Carefully pour the creamy, golden beverage into a tall glass. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, you might consider garnishing it. A light sprinkle of cinnamon or a fresh mint leaf can elevate the experience. This delicious and refreshing treat is best enjoyed immediately, so savor every sip of your perfectly crafted, tropical delight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.